Hello friends, today we will show you the unboxing of Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. This is model number 1951. This is 2021 model and has 16 GB RAM and 256 GB hard disk. It has got the latest Intel Core i7 processor. Let's do the unboxing now. This is matte black Microsoft Surface laptop. Wow, looks sleek. This is very lightweight at 1.31 kg. Let's see what else this box has. This is the Microsoft Surface laptop. As you can see, this is 13.5 inch wide and it's got Windows 10. Let's see what's there in the other boxes. This seems to be the power cable. Let's check. Yes, this is the power cord. Okay, let's see how do we plug these in. Okay, and this is for the power source, and this gets connected to the laptop. Okay, let's see what's here. This looks like a specification and installation guide. We will go through it. It tells you about the product features and specifications. Okay, interesting stuff. Now let's get down to opening the laptop. Okay, let's try to open the laptop and see how it looks. Okay, this looks like an interesting display and screen. The keys are very thin and sleek here, as you can see. So we will first have to charge the laptop in order to start it. So the charging wire will get plugged on the right side. As you can see, you just slide it in and it fits. And now we will charge the other end to the power source, so the charging will start. Let's turn on the power of the laptop now. The laptop has turned on now. So you will now need to register your username and password for it to start working. As you can see, the keys are very sleek and thin and easy to use. So after logging in, we have connected to the Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi is now showing as connected. And you can see the system settings to see the system information, which you can see in About. Now the system is ready to use. You can install the apps and open the applications that are already installed and start using them. So this is how we installed the Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 today, and I hope you liked this video. If you have any installation related queries or issues, please feel free to type in the comments section and we will be happy to reply. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.